Hey everyone, so I'm in Homegoods and check this out. $300 cocoa therapy peanut butter lover. Look at that. 44 bags of dark chocolate and 44 bags of milk chocolate. It is gluten free. That is absolutely crazy. I've never seen that. Okay, looks like tons of candy like chocolate, Santa, snowman, and these are $4 and you do get 10. Some like this one looks kind of old, you know, but some of these look good. Like look at that cute snowman at the bottom. I really did try. How funny. Got Snowflake Pretzels. These are 10. So everything here is going to be candy and a treat. And again, more chocolate, which I think we covered a lot of this already. Oh yeah, all the same. I'm really looking for like the vintage packaging. Like that is like really, really cute. Harry and David, you know it's good. Milk chocolate cherries. These are $5. And you know what? They also have a blueberry. I still haven't tried their blueberry. Orange truffles. Oh, that looks good too. And these are cookies. Ooh, what is this one? I like looking at their packaging. $8. Got chocolate from all over the world. They kind of remind me of World Market. Again, if you haven't been to World Market, I would definitely hit it up. Look right here. No, I've never seen this. $8. Jelly Belly Gourmet chocolate. And I found this. $10. Is that chocolate? It's a milk chocolate bottle. Here we go. I didn't want to lift that up. Mickey Mouse Jelly Belly. We have Cocktail Classics. And FAO Schwartz. They have candy. And they have the gummy worms. Oh gosh, the gummy worms is actually really funny. $10 for the gumball. I saw right now on TikTok, there's a lot of videos of people eating worms or like little maggots, right? But they're not really eating them. They're kind of just playing in the bowl for you to get them to like watch their videos. But one guy made a funny one. He had a whole bunch of gummy worms. It was like, oh, so spicy. It was funny because people were eating worms supposedly. But he was making fun of them with the gummy worms. It was funny. That might be a gnome. I'm not too sure. But check this out. Let me pull it out. These are 13. Oh, it's a cake. That's funny. It's like a marshmallow gummy cake. I'm trying to go everywhere where it's not crowded because it is crowded today. More marshmallow. Unicorn. We have the groovy one. These are more like tie-dye. Really cute. We have artichoke dip mix, tomato, creamy vegetable. These are $3. And so like if you have like someone who loves to cook and bake in your life, like a little stocking, something to gift for work, that might work. So these are $5. These are new. Then we have more mugs, Santa and a snowman. These are $13 by Peppermint and Pine. $5 for the gingerbread salt and pepper shaker. We have Mary, of course, Winnie the Pooh down there. We've seen these plenty of times. There's another salt and pepper shaker for $5. Snowman and Santa. Let me bring this one up. $4. That is actually really, really nice. And $8. I like the little gold snowflakes. Oh gosh, really cute. Look at this one. $5. They're like little s'mores. Snowman on chocolate. I love that. I'm gonna bring this one up if I can. $17. This is really, really heavy. Oh, there's my arm workout. Okay, the Grinch over here is new. Normally, you know, we find at Disney. We've been seeing a lot at Disney, but I haven't seen the Grinch plate. I'm hoping you get, oh, let's see, it's opened. Okay, you're gonna get 4. Let's scoot over real quick. 4 for $10. And of course, Winnie the Pooh, you cannot hate him. His face is just so lovable. So we have the Grinch, and you know that one show, Schitt's Creek, right? Am I saying it wrong? Look, they have mugs there. How to zoom in. So here's the bag. They're gonna be 13. So on the Schitt's Creek, it has like, it's cold outside. This is so cute for me. Like, it has the character face and what they would say. Plenty of your bling and glam. Look at this. I can't lift that up for you, but that is really nice. These are nice as well. These are $5.99. And you know what? I've never seen these. It comes with the cake stand. I thought, you know how they do have like little miniature glass figures? That is just so cool. That is new for me. And look, you guys, we have like the blinged out Lazy Susan and trays. And then more Kate Spade. It looks like some of these might be 25. Comes with the handle, and then you have your very blinged out one. So 20 for Merry Christmas. That is Disney. Still plenty of nautical beach themes, Christmas. We do have the vintage by 34th and Pine. Again, you can find something really similar in Target, you guys. Only $8 here. Home, more of the Santas, and tons of trees. Look at all these Santas. They're right up front. And then there's still a few fall left over. Oh, this location gets so hard to film in. There's just so much to look at. And you have everyone's like carts and stuff. You have to watch out for the aisles. And also this location is so notorious for nobody saying excuse me. They kind of just give you a look like you're automatically supposed to move. I'm like, no. Oh gosh, look at that Santa. Here's a wine cup bottle buddy. Let me see if I can walk up to him. That's funny. Oh, is that a gnome on top? There is a gnome one. That might have been it for Christmas in this location. Look at these. 3-wick candle, unscented. These are really nice too. Let's see, $15. So these are really, really nice for like home decor, home decorations. There is plenty. And check this out with the bling if you are feeling that. $25. These are only $8, so not bad. You got the mug set. Double wall. Oh, you know what? They had double wall on sale in Costco. You only get 4 in here for $25. Okay, so I think Costco, you got like a much better deal because I believe it came with a little bit more. And this one's going to be 13. Red wine glass. These are 25. And this one's 14. $25, and you will get 4. They still had the Mickey toaster. Look at this little mini oven toaster for 20. I wonder if those really, really work. Oh, some of these I cannot tell you the price. I feel bad. These are 15. So I found this randomly in the back. I have to watch out. Everything's hanging off. It says like popcorn on the inside. It's a child. And then we have Nom Nom. You know that is a cookie jar. We've seen that. They also have a Friends one. I gotta keep moving. Oh, that's kind of cute. Really cute and simple. You know what? Here's the Grinch. So the bowls are 8. Oh, is that a gingerbread guy? Let me see if I can bend down before somebody comes. Oh, it's kind of like one. It says yum on him for 10. Yum for 10. Really cute. $5.99 here for the honey. Santa's helper at the bottom. What is this one? I don't think I've ever seen this. This is 10. Easy icing. But look at these. These are really different. I can't find a price for it. This is a plug-in, $4.50. It looks like wrapping paper, more lamps. These are by Ralph Lauren, $59 and $99. Let me gotta look before you cross. Really simple. These are nice for like an office. They do have the stand-up, and the stand-up will be $50. Plenty of wicker baskets. Oh my gosh, they are filled in today. They are definitely filled in. And I saw some macrame ones over here in the corner. These Tommies are $70 for a queen and even for a king. Okay. Normally they're like different price. Oh, bedding has been picked through. Oh my goodness. I definitely need some bedding. I feel like around Christmas time is when we bedding towels. It's like an adult Christmas. Right? I definitely need more towels. Need to hit up some Kohl's. There's a few nutcrackers at the bottom. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, you guys. It is just getting way too crowded. It's hard to maneuver. It's really, really hard. I mean, I did get a complaint that my video was like, I giggle. Okay, I do giggle. I'm sorry. I'm human. And I do come in on my days off when it gets closer to the weekend. So those videos on the weekend might be more casual. And I do this too much. Or if you hear it, it's my day off. You know what I mean? Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video. These purple trees here at the bottom are really, really nice. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.